Well, because we're talking about fall today, you'll see here that these leaves are going from green and becoming more and more brown. Today, you're going to be taking a clay leaf, and it starts off just as clay, but what people do are they mix together all different things like ash and zinc and oxides and all these different things in order to make different glazes. Here you'll see that I have an iron glaze, a green glaze, and that very first one was green stone. They all don't look green because they haven't gone into the kiln. When they go into the kiln, it'll be 2,000 degrees and the colors will change. Now that part on the bottom that I'm pointing to is wax. I don't want you to go over that because that's where we're going to be putting your name. I've decided to start with this iron oxide and understand that if it looks kind of dry like that, it could be that your teacher will add just a little bit of water to it just to water it down. So that if it's that dry, just ask if a little bit of water can be added to your glaze. I'm being careful to go around the edges and notice that I'm holding it in such a way where I'm kind of trying not to get my fingers into the glaze. Now you'll notice I took my brush and went straight into the next color. I didn't even rinse it out. If you do that, just make sure that you dip. Don't stir it. Just dip your brush in. If you stir it, then we're going to end up with a big mess. But if you just tap it in there, it should be fine. Now I'm using more of this green to go around here. And notice on a real leaf that it has all these different colorations in it. It's not usually that it's one solid color. There will be a little bit of speckles. That's why once you finish one layer, you can even go back and choose a different glaze again and just kind of do dabby, dabby, dabby. Now, another type of glaze that people mix up is a crystalline glaze, and these little crystals explode when it goes into the kiln. You'll see that when, in a little bit, you will be given what's called the alligator glaze, and that one has the little crystals in it. Don't dump tons and tons and tons of glaze on there. Just kind of do your dabby, dabby, dabby thing on there so that you can end up with it in different places. After school, then I will be putting it into the kiln. It will go up to 2,000 degrees. And when it comes back, you know what? We never really know exactly what it looks like, but it's going to be beautiful. Have fun.